Hello, all. So, I would like to talk about further insights into the theory. So, as viewers, you all might have understood in brief or what we are planning to do. So, we want to be an analyst for the world. We want to be an analyst with a difference. We have our own roots. We follow our own ways. I do agree that stock market pundits might not agree these kind of theories, but rather I do also not subscribe to their views always. As a fundamentalist, you can succeed in stock markets by being patient and investing at the right stocks. But in my frank opinion, always stick with the large cap stocks or the larger mid cap stocks. Penny stocks and small cap stocks, which can give multiple returns, might be speculated or might be even hyped beyond prices. So always consider market as supreme. So how do I analyze stock markets without having any background? So we consider stocks and indices the same. In simpler way, when the world analyzes indices through futures and option interest or options data, I just took the classical way. As an engineer, I consider indices as a massive assembly of various stocks. So if I grab the quantum and behavioral pattern of individual stocks, then I get realistic projections of indices. It's easy to say, but it takes years of hard work and concentration. There are thousands of theories, but we don't care about others. We want to be different in what we do. We want to be transparent to people. But again, there is a cost to it. The beauty of financial market in general compared to engineering analysis is we as engineers use standard formulas to derive at calculations. So we do several iterations to achieve our criteria. But where in financial markets is not same. The boundary conditions and the loading conditions changes every day. Each and every day counts. But there is a pattern to it. I can analyze a stock option spread of any stock or indices within minutes. I can't expect others to do it. So what we are going to do, having created this theory, is we want to be an innovative analysis firm in the future. We want to help people from different backgrounds. We want to help people from different financial capabilities. But to all, my plan is I would like people to encourage investing in quality stocks. Large cap and larger mid cap stocks always follows the trend, the macroeconomical trend. They do have microeconomic factors pulling them through. Small cap stocks or multi-baggers, they say, or penny stocks, they are just like a casino. They just like lottery. But there are very few stocks which can do well. But the amount of manipulation in small cap stocks is unrealistic at times. That's why you can see stocks which would have multiple thousands of times would have crashed in just a very short span. So always stick with stocks or companies which are fair, which are ethical. But in modern world, the ethicality is lost. World's greatest corporate leaders are fraudulent or guilty of malpractice. And when globalization happens and when the world is growing, each and every company wants to be having a competitive edge. They want to acquire more market share. By doing it, they also sometimes sacrifice quality. So, to talk about markets, what we are visioning is an automated trading system for the future, an automated decision making tool, so that the best stocks at that moment, which has better probabilities of increasing on a shorter span or a midterm span, will be highlighted. We always go by the markets. If we can't analyze indices, there's no meaning. That's why I thought if I could analyze all the stocks in the world, why should I stop in between? So we developed further, and now we have calculators that can project any financial instrument. So we can analyze indices, we can analyze stocks across the globe, we can analyze commodities, we can analyze currencies, to all, and all these various instruments are interlinked. So I would like to advise people to stick to investments rather than speculation, because I, being an analyst, I don't watch markets live. I gladly watch it, maybe for a minute a day. If I could know what will happen without seeing the markets, why should I see it rather than analyze it post market hours? That's simple as that. You make others play, you see others trade, and you see the funds play. And if I can trap them, why should I trade along with them? Rather, I would be cautious. Thank you all. if you like this video, do subscribe to the channel.